Each student was given 2 ingredients. They had to come up with a recipe that utilized these 2 ingredients in a creative way. Everyone worked very hard to make a good dish. Many of them practiced at home before they came to class so that they were absolutely sure on the day of their presentation that they were on time, that their food was prepared properly, that it was hot, and it was delicious.
We tasted everything from sweet to salty and spicy, so our palates were going crazy. It was awesome. They learned that time is very important. If they were working in a restaurant, they know that they have X amount of time to present it to the table. So that was a big factor.
You know, it could be stressful, you know, because you're working on time now. You gotta be on time. You got in your head, you know, you got 3 people that's gonna be judging you. So if you come up to that table with something empty-handed, cold, or undone, hey. It was kind of hectic, it was stressful, but all in all, it teaches you and prepares you for this real world in the cooking industry.
When the judges was tasting my food, I was very nervous because I didn't know what to believe, and I think I did a good job.
I got to see all of these recipes come to life. And the thing that impressed me more than anything else was every single dish was different. Everyone put their own twist on what you can do with shrimp and sweet potatoes, and I never thought there could be so many combinations.